What's up everyone? It's me, yours truly, John Valencia, and welcome back to True Asia Diaries. Mega love shout out mga ka-blooms. We are back for another Beanie reaction, and this is for your request about their recent performance in Wish Bus for the song Sweet Tooth. Yes, this is the first time I'm going to hear this song, and this is in a live performance on Wish 107.5. Yes, kaya naman excited tayo for this, guys, and thank you so much for requesting this performance of Beanie. But before I proceed, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, go. Here it is, guys. Oh my God, ang daming tao. Oh, parang concert naman pala ito,
Wish
Day.
107.5.
Wag, ito na sila. Ooh, go Mika.
It's probably not so good for me, but I don't care at all. Candy Crush, I hope it's never gone. Soon I'll get a cavity deep inside my heart.
Ooh, pang sweet tooth talaga. Ang sweet ng vocals.
How can I self-regulate? Your love has got me hard. I should
Love
try
that
something
switching.
healthy, but it never tastes as good.
Oh, ganda nun ah. I love that. So sweet.
Me and my sweet tooth. Now I can't help but feel
Cute naman ni Maloy dito.
I know there's plenty worse addictions, but I just can't help the feeling. Me and my sweet tooth.
Kabog ang vocalization ni Joanna at Maloy. Yes. And in fairness, I love the vibe of this song. As if pang sweet girl. Sweet girl lang ang atake ng beat.
Problem with a heart candy rush.
Si Colette.
You really have to work for it, but still don't get a lot. Torium, I'm still a
Aya. Diba? Hindi ko sila memorize until no, guys. Nalilito kasi magkakamukha. In fairness, gusto niyo ba yung ganong kwintas ni Colette na may padlock? Tapos, itong ganda-gandahan na si Aya. Aya, di ba guys? Tama ba? And of course, this is Gwen.
I should try something healthy, but it never tastes as good.
In fairness, sorry guys kung nag-stop ako kasi I am so amazed with their vocals right now. Because nag-react tayo sa Beanie before, like way back 2 years ago. Before I stopped doing reaction. Then now I'm back in reaction. So I checked Beanie again and ang laki nung pinagbago, guys. Aminin nyo, I don't know, but for me it's so different now. They're dahil well trained and super ang dami na nilang performance. So nahasa na sila in terms of vocals. Talaga namang give na sila for today's video.
Me and my sweet tooth. Now I can't help but feel
May tingin-tingin sa camera. Oh.
I know there's plenty worse addictions, but I just can't help the feeling. Me and my sweet tooth.
Pang sweet girl talaga, guys.
Wanna get over it, but do really want to. If I'm out late at night, trying to find my sweet tooth.
Ang ganda ng mga facing ng pagkakakanta.
Wanna get over it, but do
May
really
harmonization.
want to. If I'm here every night, dreaming
Sino
about
nagba-backup
your sweet
vocals,
tooth.
guys?
Me and my sweet tooth.
Kabog, love it, Colette.
Wants you. I know there's
Gusto nyo yon? Iba ang ang counterparts ni Colette for today's video.
plenty worse addictions, but I just can't help the feeling. Me and my sweet tooth. Me and my sweet tooth. Now I can't help if it wants you. I know there's plenty worse addictions, but I just can't help the feeling.
Sweet girl talaga, I love it.
Sweet tooth.
Hey, may pa-slide dance move tayo, guys. 'Di ba? Kahit galaw-galaw lang ng kahit pa small steps lang, guys, you can see the synchronization. I love it.
Exclusive.
Ay, tapos
On
na!
Wish
Oh my God, nabitin naman ako. Love it. Ay, meron pa. Oh.
Sweet tooth.
Ay, si Gwen ang ending. There you have it, guys. That is Beanie performing on Wish Bus para sa kanilang kanta na Sweet Tooth. Yes, very sweet. Pa-sweet girl lang ang ating walo for today's video. But like what I said, guys, their vocals right now is so different. I'm not saying that yung vocals nila before, like, it improves more and you can see na-train na sila in terms of vocals, and I love hearing them in terms of vocals lang, no? May konting sayaw tayo for today, like pa small steps, and they give the sweet girl vibe of a sweet tooth. So I love it. I love how their look, the outfit, iba talaga. Nation's girl group at its best. Yes, ganun ang datingan for today's video. At nakita nyo naman, sobrang daming tao sa labas, guys. It's like concert na nila. Nag-perform lang sila sa Wish Bus, pero parang napuno nila yung Araneta dun sa paligid. So, sobrang kitang-kita nyo naman ang support ng mga Blooms. And of course, nag-enjoy tayo sa kanilang performance. And if you enjoyed this reaction video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Once again, my name is John. This is True Days Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.